If you are a CS student who is scared of failing your attempt, then the next 90 seconds is for you. Do you know that 85% of the students fail in their preparation and not in the examination? And you should also know that our research findings have discovered that most of the qualified chartered accountants unknowingly follow a 5-step preparation framework. Now imagine yourself clearing your CA in the immediate attempt, fulfilling your long pending dream. I am Himakant Andavarapu and I have cleared my CA at the age of 21 and I have worked with the likes of EY, ITC and Oracle on multiple assignments. But very few people know that I was a very average student in my class 12 and I entered CA with a non-commerce background. Then one day I met Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and his insights has helped me build a powerful 5-step preparation framework which eventually helped me clear my CA in the first attempt and also secure a national rank in CMA. I have researched further, talking to hundreds of qualified CAs, only to discover that all of them unknowingly followed the same 5-step preparation framework. Now, I'm on a mission to share my secret framework and transform students into super students. You might ask me, who exactly is the super student? Our super student framework is conceptualized based on scientifically proven techniques such as dopamine detox, Pomodoro Techniques, double down theory, and many more well-established active learning strategies which will help you maximize your productivity and preparation and eventually enhance your score in the examination. If you want to make the most out of your preparation and clear your exams in this attempt, I'm inviting you to our Super Student Workshop. All you have to do is just click the link below and book your spot right away.